Alright guys, so I have a site called CPNpackage.com. This site only sells CPN packages, no trade lines. The only trade lines they have are the ones that are added on the CPNs that they've created. So you have your starter package, you have your premium, which is the most popular. You have your expert CPN, and you have your business CPN. So the business CPN, this is actually a good price. Other sites I've seen, they're going for around $5,000 to $7,000. So if you want a business CPN, that's where you can get the most out of your money. You can get a lot of credit lines. You can get $500,000 loans, a lot of credit cards. So you can get 10 credit cards, business credit cards with $50,000 each. And based on the description, it said you can customize it under your name. So when you get it customized, that means they will build it for you, and it can actually take around a month to make it. But you can always reach out to customer service and see how fast they can make it for you, because if a company is busy, it can take a while depending on how everything goes under their end. But they also come with tax returns, LLC documents. So I recommend you just get it as it is. And there's a 90-minute turnaround time, so they can get everything ready for you, and you can apply using the websites, the business loan websites, which I will provide in the next video. But if you're trying to get a good package that's not a business, I recommend sticking with the premium at least, because the premium, you can get up to $30,000 in loans and $50,000 in credit cards. And it has 8 primary trade lines. You can get approved for an apartment and a car. The expert CPN is really good too. I highly recommend this over the premium because you can get a mortgage. This is customizable, so this is the only one where you can get customized. The premium you can't, the starter you can't. The starter is good if you won't have that much money, but it does help you get approved for apartment, and you can get a little loan and a credit card. But expert CPN is what I highly recommend if you try and get a lot of funds. But the premium is really good. I'll go at least the premium, but if you can't afford anything, just get the starter. So if you hit the buy, okay, so I'm going to hit buy now on these packages right here. Okay, so you can hit buy now, and then you complete the checkout process on the site. Okay, so they have fast delivery. They offer refunds or exchanges. So they also have some info. So why use the CPN? Guaranteed delivery, protection, usage, public records, high approval rates. These are the rates. 95% notice the profiles have a high approval rate. 100% been approved for apartments. 96% reported credit card limits around $10,000 on average. 99% online car approvals require 0 down payment. And these are the screenshots of the clients that they have brought in right here. And then some other infos and contact form. They have a number on the website. You can text them. And they also link the credit card sites and the loan sites for the packages after you receive them. So once you receive them, you can start applying for credit cards. So under a random name, CPN, just use that info as your own. Apply credit cards. Once you apply for the credit cards, you will get shipped to your house. You can get shipped to your friend's house. Use a PO box, virtual address, any house you can think of. Anywhere you can get access to, that's where you will get the card shipped. Now for loans, you can literally use any bank for the loans. It's not that hard, and the loans should take 24 hours for it to deposit after you apply. So make sure you submit the bank statements, pay stubs. You try and get the loans, you gotta get the premium. So this one doesn't have the loans, so you have to make this one don't have the bank statements, so you have to make your own bank statements for the start package. So I recommend the premium CPN package to get the guaranteed loan. So you guys can check this site out. I'll leave the links below, cpnpackage.com. This is the site right here and the number. You can pause the video, cpnpackage.com. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.